know what season it is. Can you tell me what kind of mango these are? I had to buy them in Atlanta. Okay guys, I'm giving you an update on what's going on in the garden. You know, peaches, they're coming on real good. Even though I said there was something nibbling on them, they're coming on real good. June plum, that's all I have left on there. Alright. I got a new thing of strawberry, a hanging pot. So I got strawberries coming and it's blossoming. The 3 different potatoes I have here. This is the American sweet potato, one Jamaican sweet potato, and Irish. I finally put the cucumbers down. This is the Percentim tree. I mean, it's loaded. I just hope I get something out of it. Okay, over here I have the red bell peppers. And like I remember last time I told you, these are the bird pepper. Over here again, the plum tree. It has a lot of fruits on it. And like I said, this is just an update. Over here, these are the cayenne pepper. Tomatoes, they're coming along. Starting to see tomatoes on there. These are my little hot peppers. These are supposed to be the hottest peppers in the world. Over there, I plant the mint, but the mint's taking over, so I'm gonna have to get some of it out. The cherry tree, I didn't get nothing from it this year. So I kinda, you know, trim it down. I want it to grow out. I don't want it to grow up. Alright, callaloo. This is, remember the box? That's where all the seeds go in. Callaloo, I already transplant some of them. I have a friend of mine I'm going to call over and give some of them to. The corn, I already transferred some of the corn. I'll give him these corns right here. Over here, I have some seeds from the purple kale. So I dropped the seeds in there. I dropped some seeds in here. I don't know what the hell it was, but I dropped it in there. Okay, these are the miniature papaya trees right here. And over here, so I already transplanted some of them. This is the gungo peas. I'm just giving you an update, like I said. This is the chocha that runs. So I put that stick right there so I can run on it. I'm starting to get blackberries on the tree. Over here, starting to get a lot of raspberries. You can see. Starting to get a whole lot of raspberry. This is the next chocha tree that I plant. Over here, see how big that get? It's a sorrel. And I plant some corn in here, pumpkin, watermelon, and cantaloupe. But there's where we replant some of the gungo peas. And in here, I did some callaloo. I took out the sucker them and put the callaloo them in here. The soursop tree is starting to spring back up. And remember, I planted this avocado from seed. Okay, a lot of it died off in the winter time, but these are the new growth. And matter of fact, it's 1, 2, 3 trees in this pot. Jackfruit springing back up nice. Real nice. the aloe vera because it was getting cold. Most of the leaves, that's what happened. But if you could see, it's springing back up nice. The Julie mango tree is springing back up nice too. East Indian mango tree got a lot of growth on it. And remember, all these are grafted mango tree. This one I planted from seed. I thought it was gonna die, but I see it's coming back up. Banana tree, banana have to come out of this pretty soon. I'm going to something bigger. Alright, this is the fig tree. I went over to the place over there which they cut the damn tree down, but I got a stick from there, and all I did was I put it in the ground, and this is what I get from it. Not bad, looking nice. And this is a fig tree. If you guys remember when I put this up here, this was I had tree stumps here, so I built these things around it. And this one I have cucumbers, and I also put the mesh up so the cucumbers could run on it. But the outside mesh, which is this, I put it up for the deers not to get in it. This needs some water. I'm going to take care of this now. The next one over here, now look at this, the herb garden. This is new. This is the cilantro. I had the cilantro, I had the lavender, if you know, the parsley, we have the thyme, we have the oregano. We have two different oregano from two different countries. We have the Italian and the Greek, and everybody knows the basil. So that's the herb garden right there. I'm gonna leave this open because I gotta come and water them. These plants right here, I got these 3 years ago, and the people tell me that they're gonna die, they're gonna die. So you gotta come back every year and get them. So what I did was, you see it? What I did was bring them inside, water them, and I just let them run. You know, I take care of them. Here's the next one. There's 3 of them. Got a dry leaf right here. Another dry leaf. Okay. So I just let them run. When it gets cold, I pick them up. Oh, another dry leaf. That's what I do. I go around and I pick off all the bad stuff and trim them up nice. I like plants. I love plants. I didn't get them in this. I had to put them in there, make it a hanging basket. And now, look, I have all 3 of them. I kind of have them in a little design type pattern thing. So winter time now, I'm going to pick them up and put them inside. Alright, this is just an update on what's going on the garden. And my little, it's my little hobby, you know. So I want to thank you guys. I appreciate all you guys. God bless you guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Blessing and respect.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to AG Born Jamaican.
Hey guys, remember, like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.